Good, what's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1352, up 8.87 on the day. Same market cap of 164 billion, 24-hour volume, 14.89 billion. Let's hop into the charts. Going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we reached our wave 2 pullback zone. We saw a rejection, but as you can see, we pushed back up. So I'd be looking at an ABC correction for a wave 2, and then coming down in a 3 with a target of 1118. Now, if we were to come up and break this high of 1394, then that would invalidate that wave count. What we'd have to be looking at here is that the 5-wave move is complete. So we're coming down in a wave 3, so we've come down. The wave 1 would be complete. You would see a wave 2 pullback, and then you would come down in a wave 3, in my opinion. That is if we come up and break this high here of about 1400. But as of right now, what I'm looking at is that all of this was a wave 4 correction, and you're looking to put in a lower low in a wave 5, as I've been mentioning in my videos. A wave C can come all the way up to 1362. It can come even higher. It can retrace up to 99% of wave 1. That's why I said, as I mentioned, if we were to come up and break that high at about 1400, it would invalidate that sub wave count. And probably what I would be looking at here is that the 5-wave move is complete, and we're going to push up in a wave 2. What the bulls are going to be looking at is that your 5-wave down is completing a wave 2 pullback, and now you're going to shoot up in a wave 3 all the way up to about 3000, which I don't think is likely. The bulls will start to get really excited if we were to see a nice bounce, and then we get rejected. We create a lower high. We see continuation to the downside, and we continue to come all the way down here for a wave 5, down to 550 to about 650. That's my opinion, not financial advice. Anything can happen in the crypto space. That's just what I'm looking at. As I mentioned, head and shoulders patterns in a downtrend are the most likely to play out of all patterns. Inverse head and shoulders in an uptrend, head and shoulders in a downtrend. So we've broken down, and your target is all the way down here at 1054 for ETH. Now, what the bulls are going to be watching here is the fact that we've come down, and we can see here that relative strength is returning on the 4 hour, and money is flowing back in. You can't deny that. So potentially you could push up on a wave 2, where we come down, completed that first wave of the wave 3. We see a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. To come down and complete the wave 3, see a wave 4 pullback, wave 5 to take you down to 550 to 650. Break this low, put in a lower low, in my opinion. But of course, anything can happen. That's why I always go over both scenarios and tell you which one I think is more probable. So in the short term, I do think we're putting in an ABC with this pump back to the upside, currently putting in a little bit of a double top. The invalidation point is a break above 1400. Anything else can be seen as an ABC correction. Right now we're having an ABC flat, but of course we can push up higher in the wave C. But the 0.618, the 0.786 are ideal ranges for wave 2 pullback. Anything higher makes it a little bit less likely, but it can retrace up to 99% of wave 1. If we do get rejected here, we begin to come down, and your wave 3 target is down here at about 1120 for our friend Ethereum. That's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits for $10 a month. Currently in a big Bitcoin short position. We'll see how that plays out. I may move my stop loss to break even here just to be safe if we were to push all the way back up to my entry. We just locked in gains on an Ethereum long position, as well as get early access to my analysis. You can get free entry if you email me your sign-up email to Bybit, my favorite exchange for trading. $4,500 in bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorial, and I will give you an access link if you email me with your sign-up email. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.